So let me first consider the inner star network. The inner star network had resistors 3 ohm, 6 ohm and 9 ohm. This will give me first delta network RA. RA will be RA because that RA will be, let's say, connected here. This is my RA. It will be nothing but R1 plus R2 plus R1 R2 R3. So that will be 3 plus 9 plus 3 into 9 divided by the third resistor, which is 6. Similarly, RB will be equal to, let's say RB will be connected here. This time it will be 9 plus 6 plus 9 into 6 divided by 3, and RC will be connected somewhere here. This time it will be 3 plus 6 plus 3 into 6 divided by 9. So these are the values of RA, RB and RC that we have got for the first star network. Similarly, let us consider the second star now, made up of 8 ohm, 6 ohm and 4 ohm resistors. So in this case, first resistor will be connected here. Let me call it RD. RD will be equal to R1 plus R2. This time R1, R2 will be 8 plus 4. So 8 plus 4 plus multiply the same two resistors, 8 into 4 divided by the third resistor, which is 6. RE is my next resistor. Let's say RE is here. So RE will be equal to, it is between 6 and 4. So between 6 and 4, so it will be 6 plus 4 plus 6 into 4 divided by third resistor, which is 8. And finally, let me take one resistor here. This will be nothing but RF. And RF is connected between 8 and 6. So it will be 8 plus 6 plus 8 into 6 divided by 4, and this resistor RF. So if we calculate all the three values, it will come out to be 17.33, 13 and 26 ohm. These are the three resistors for the second star. So now make this network with two delta connections, and we will then go for further series parallel combination. So my new modified network will look something like this. So this is my first delta that I've taken, and second delta will be like this across the same 2 points. This is node A, this is node B. And let's also quickly put down the values that we have got. So the first three values are RA, which was between 3 and 9 ohm here, is 16.5, 33 and 11. And the next delta network will have values of 17.33, 13 and 26. So the next simplification will be 11 and 26 will be in parallel, 33, 13 will be in parallel, and 16.5 and 17.33 will be in parallel. So we will basically have one resistor which is parallel combination of this two, one resistor here and one vertical resistor. So let me one by one define all the three resistors. Let me call this resistors as RX. So you can see RX we have taken as parallel combination of 17.33 and 16.5. Let me call this as RY. RY we have taken as parallel combination of 11 and 26. And finally RZ, which will come somewhere here. Let me put RZ also. So RZ is taken as a parallel combination of 33 and 13. So if I take parallel combination of all the three resistors, I'll get the value of RX, RY and RZ. So these are the three values we get for RX, RY and RZ. Going ahead, you can see RY and RZ are in series and RX is in parallel. So finally my resistance RAB will be nothing but RX, which is in parallel with RY plus RZ. RX is equal to 8.452 ohms value, and this will be in parallel with RPi and RZ. So 7.729 plus 9.326. So if I add these two resistors and take parallel combination with 8.452, it gives me RAB equal to, so it comes out to be 5.651 ohms.